Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start at Interac eTransfer settings. Once done, navigate to the Profile or Auto Deposit area. This is where security questions are managed. You need to locate the specific transfer option for the recipient or the global settings controlling eTransfer security. Make sure to note any active unanswered questions or pending transfers. They can block changes. If you see auto deposit enabled, you're already partway to removing question prompts. Continue to the next step to now adjust how transfers are authorized by editing the recipient or global eTransfer preferences. Choose auto deposit when the recipient has an eligible RBC-linked account. This removes the question because funds route directly. Alternatively, select the option to send without a question if available for your account type. You'll be asked to verify the recipient's email or phone with a one-time code. Enter it promptly. Make sure to save or confirm each change. Unsaved edits will leave security questions active and require repeating these steps. Finish by testing the new setting with a small transfer or by checking the recipient's auto deposit status. That verifies questions are removed. If options remain unavailable, look for pending e-transfers, unresolved security questions, or account limitations. Clear those first. Make sure your app and browser are updated and retry after signing out and back in. If problems persist, contact RBC support or visit a branch with ID. They can remove locks or complete auto deposit enrollment on your behalf.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.